Hey everyone, we're driving on the highway right now and I wanted to show you guys how to do cruise control on a 2007 to 2010 BMW M6. So this information is really similar to the M5 E60 as well. Alright, so to turn it on, you press this while you're driving. So right now my foot is on the gas pedal. You push this in. There. Do you see the little red line? Goes up to your speed. So to slow down, you pull this towards you. Every time you pull it, it goes down a little bit. There, it jumped down about 5 miles per hour. And then if you want to speed up, you can push it. So if you push it and it clicks, it goes 5 miles more. If you pull it and it clicks, you go 5 miles lower. But if you wanted to just control it slowly, don't let it click. Like this is slowing you down. I'm not there. So it's coasting. And then when you let go, it sets it at a new speed. Do you see how it's going down a little bit? There. So that's a new speed when you pull it. But if you click it, so this, I'm gonna let it click. You see how it jumps right up at 5 miles faster? My tire pressure light is on. One of my sensors are bad, so it's throwing it off, the system off. But I'm planning to get that fixed. But there you have it. And to turn off cruise control, you can push this up. So push this down, up, or you can press the brake. So let's go ahead and push the brake. There. Do you see the red line on the gauge? Went down. So now it's no longer a red line. But that's pretty much how you work a cruise control on E63, E64, and E60 M5, M6. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.